my brothers and sisters, welcome back to this channel. If someone asks you to describe a sunny day, how would you do it? So today we are going to learn a few phrases to describe a sunny day or a hot summer day. So let's start without much ado.
I just assumed we were more than just friends, 'cause I felt the tension in the room.
What a coincidence! The sun is also out and I'm also out, as you can see. And this reminded my favorite quote. No matter how tall the mountain is, it cannot hide the sun. It can never, or I would say it cannot hide the sun. Anyway, let's begin with our first phrase. The sun is beating down. This phrase is used to describe a hot, bright day. For example, the sun is beating down on me right here. The next one is the heat of the day. The heat of the day means the hottest part of the day. So generally, I don't come out during the heat of the day. But to explain, I planned even to come out during the heat of the day.
Heat of the day.
The heat of the day.
The heat of the day.
Before we move on to the next phrase, let me tell you, I am making hay while the sun shines. मतलब मैं मौके का फायदा उठा रही हूँ. Yes, making hay while the sun shines means to make good use of the given opportunity. मतलब कि जो मौका है उसका फायदा उठाना. Making hay while the sun shines का मतलब होता है मौके का फायदा उठाना.
You have to make hay while the sun shines.
Make hay while the sun shines.
Now you might be thinking, how am I making hay while the sun shines? Yes, I am. Because the sun is also bright and I got the opportunity to shoot this video on this sunny day, isn't it? Now let's move on to the next phrase. This is a sidewalk.
On the sidewalk.
Dying on the sidewalk.
On the sidewalk.
3 dead bodies on a sidewalk.
On the sidewalk out there.
And to describe this hot day, you can say it's so hot you could fry an egg on the sidewalk.
You can fry an egg on this control panel.
You can fry an egg.
I think you could fry an egg on the roof out there.
Hot weather. Weather. Now, what is the difference between weather and climate? Let me tell you the difference. Both weather and climate refer to local conditions of a place. But the main difference between them is a matter of time. Weather refers to the local conditions on the scale of minutes, hours, days, months, and even years. Whereas climate is an average of weather conditions for about 30 years or more. So I would say weather is referred for the short duration and climate is referred for the long duration. While weather can change in a single location daily, climate mainly changes less quickly.
How is the weather there?
Is there a storm coming?
The weather said no.
This is not the weather of the world.
And nothing has changed but the weather.
How's the weather down there?
3 weeks, if the weather is good.
The climate is good for convalescence.
The U.S. Congress still denies climate change?
Northward is the climate change.
Healthy climate.
Warm climate.
Now let's go on to the next phrase. The next phrase to describe a hot day is it's a real scorcher today. Or I can use the word scorching like I don't want to be outside in this scorching heat. But for you, my brothers and sisters, I am here.
It's a real scorcher, isn't it?
A scorcher out today.
A scorcher.
Another scorcher.
Scorcher.
It is scorching hot.
Another phrase related to the kitchen is boiling. So I can say it's a boiling hot day. It's definitely boiling out here today.
Yeah, boiling hot.
Boiling hot.
Boiling hot.
Boiling hot! It has been quite a long time since I left my home and now I am sweating. So I can say I'm sweating buckets. Or you can also use it like when you're going for an interview and you're nervous and sweating a lot. You can say, today is my interview and I'm sweating buckets. Sometimes we say about the sunny day like it's burning hot today.
Burning hot.
Burning hot.
Burning hot.
During a hot day when you see that the plants are getting drooped or wilted or sagged, then you can describe a hot day like that. You can say it's a real cooker or you can say it's a cooker. Now see, this plant has got drooped, wilted or I would say sagged due to the extreme heat. So I can say it's a real cooker. See, the plant is drying. There are not much leaves also on this plant. It's really baking hot over here. I think I should go under the shade of a tree. Now see, here bake is related to the kitchen, and here also we use the word bake, like it's really baking hot over here. I think I should go back, otherwise I may get sunburn if I'm exposed to the sun for a long period of time.
You think his face would get a little sunburn?
It's a sunburn.
You can get yourself one hell of a sunburn.
A sunburn.
Now, when I go home and I want to express about this extremely hot weather, I can say, it's a hot one out there. It's a hot one out there. Let me tell you my secret about why I like sunny days. It's because I can eat ice cream on sunny days. Do you like sunny days? Write in the comment box. Now, let me eat my ice cream before it gets melted. If you have liked this information, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Yummy. It's delectable, appetizing, mouth watering and so on.
I just